Decoding the phrase, check out my bio. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very popular and modern phrase that you might have come across on social media or in casual conversations. Check out my bio. This phrase is simple yet packed with meaning, and understanding it can really help you navigate the digital world more effectively. So, let's dive in. Check out my bio is a phrase that's become increasingly common, especially on social media platforms. Let's break it down. Check out is an idiomatic expression meaning to examine, look at, or investigate something. My is a possessive pronoun, indicating that the bio belongs to the person speaking or writing. Bio is short for biography. In this context, it refers to a person's profile information on a social media or website. Put together, when someone says, check out my bio, they're inviting you to look at their profile information on a website or social media platform. Why do people ask others to check out their bio? Here are a few reasons. 1. Promotion. They might be promoting something like a business, a personal blog, or a project. 2. Information sharing. Their bio often contains contact information, links to their work, or personal interests. 3. Connection building. It's a way to encourage new social media connections or followers. Understanding this phrase helps you get more context about what the person might be sharing or offering. Let's look at some examples of how check out my bio can be used. A fitness coach on Instagram might post, new workout plans are now available. Check out my bio for the link. An artist on Twitter could tweet, I just updated my gallery. Check out my bio to see my latest work. These examples show how the phrase is often used as a call to action, directing the audience to find more information or resources. And that's a wrap on the phrase, check out my bio. We hope this video has been informative and helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your own online interactions. Remember, language is not just about words, it's about communication and connection. So go ahead, explore, and don't hesitate to check out bios to learn more about the people you meet online. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.